it's Gina with your note of the week. This week's note is about barcode management. In other words, how to associate additional barcodes with a single item. So in Counterpoint, you can have as many barcodes associated with one item as you like. And I'll show you how to do that next. Let's go to Inventory and Items. And I'll just find an item to use. How about this jar of peanuts? Now notice here on the main tab, I already have a barcode number or UPC associated with the item. But for some reason, the next time I ordered the item, it came in with a different UPC. Not to worry. Very easy to update the item record. Click on the Barcodes tab. Scan the new UPC in this field. Now you have to have a barcode type. If you don't associate a barcode type with a new barcode, you're going to have a problem printing labels from receivings and purchasing. Now I'm going to go into the lookup and I'm going to select the item barcode type. And I want you to notice that currently I'm using the item barcode type. So watch what happens when I try to use it again. Click on item. Okay, so Counterpoint doesn't like this. It just wants a different barcode type. And basically barcode types are just a word. It can be any word you like. It can be avocado or pineapple, but I prefer you use something that makes more sense. So I'm going to set up a new barcode type. So I'm going to go into the lookup and I'm going to click on Add, and I'm just going to call this UPC1. Press my Enter key and type UPC1 again, and then click on Save. And now Counterpoint's pretty happy with this. So that's it. I'm done. That's how you associate additional barcodes with a single item. Thanks for joining me, and I'll talk with you again next week. Thanks for joining me for this session of Note of the Week. Hope to see you again soon. We would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question for Note of the Week, email training@cksystem.com, and on the subject line, type Note of the Week. If you would like to schedule training time or request a free training catalog, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. Talk to you next week. Bye.